I am in a delectable and delicious stand here at Top Drawer, and I am joined by Greg at the Bottle Baking Company. If you could take some of my favourite things and bottle it, you've just done that.
Yep.
It's cakes, isn't it? Greg, tell me, how did the Bottle Baking Company come about?
I started the business 4 years ago. It was baking with my 2-year-old son at the time, so he's now 7, so the maths probably isn't right there, but 4 or 5 years ago. So it was trying to make baking easy for him because he couldn't weigh things and wanted to get straight to the mixing and the eating kind of stage. So putting it in a bottle made it fun, and you could see the layers so you can tell him what is in it, so slightly educational, and it's just growing from there. So yeah.
Amazing. And so what are your best sellers, would you say?
So, the top 3 are Smarter cookies and cream muffins, and then a kind of joint third, actually. So we've got raspberry and white chocolate tray bake, and then the unicorn cake is kind of a joint third.
So over the last 18 months, a lot has happened across the world. So how has that impacted your business?
Well, we've been positively impacted, I suppose, which is a good thing compared to some other people. So I guess we were in the right place doing the right thing. So everybody wanted to bake. Everyone's gifting. It's a very giftable product. It's obviously baking. So it kind of a combination of the two. It just went bonkers for us last year. So good problems to have, but it was really busy.
Have you noticed a bit of a shift from offline to online over the last 18 months as well?
Yes, obviously whilst shops were closed, the website blew up, and we took, the website went from 40 orders a week to hundreds per week. It has died back down again, so it's gone the other way now, and wholesale has picked up a lot more, and the web orders have gone a lot quieter, I guess, as retail has reopened again. So.
And have you missed trade fairs?
Strangely, yes. So we did the first trade show, it was Harrogate Home and Gift a few weeks ago, in July, I think, and so it was fun to be out there, and it was really busy, and then obviously being here for the first time.
That's right, this is your first in the flesh Top Drawer, so how's it going for you?
Good so far. So it's kind of peaks and troughs throughout the day, but I guess that's the same as most places. But it's really good. So.
And we can definitely testify that the cakes are delicious.
Yeah.
They're yummy.
Good. Yeah, glad to hear it.
Brilliant. Well, thank you so much, Greg.
Cool.